Hello, YouTube! This is Evelyn, and I'm a professional blockchain developer. Today, I decided to test the potential of Chat GPT to see if it can make me anything interesting in decentralized finance. I asked Chat GPT to generate a trading bot that used DeFi liquidity pairs to take advantage of certain arbitrage opportunities for earning passive income. And wow! What it generated was insane. The bot allows you to automatically trade tokens on the Ethereum chain without needing to manually transact through traditional methods. It takes advantage of DeFi platforms like Uniswap to sandwich transactions for arbitrage. Basically, it sniffs the mempool for pending transactions, allowing us to inject our transactions with a higher gas fee than the target transaction. This will allow us to process our transaction faster than the target transaction. A sell order is processed right after the target transaction, allowing us to sandwich the target transaction and earn profit generated by the slippage of the target transaction. If this sounds complicated, don't worry. It's really not. I have been using this bot earning passive income for weeks, and you don't need any coding experience whatsoever since this script was generated entirely by Chat GPT. So let's get started. Make sure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed and you are connected to the Ethereum mainnet. Now head over to remix.re. Remix is a Web3 application that helps us to develop, compile, and deploy Ethereum smart contracts coded in the Solidity language. I will put a link to Remix in the description below. For the first time in Remix, it may ask you to agree to their terms. I have already done it. Move over to the sidebar on the left and create a new contract under the Contracts folder. Name it bot.sol. In the description, I have added a link to the bot's source code. Copy it and paste it into the file bot.sol, the one you have just created. A couple of things to look at. After you have pasted the code, lines 55 and 56, these should be the address for the wrapped Ether token. Feel free to check it on Etherscan to make sure. Yep, looks good. It's the official wrapped Ether address. Now that our bot file is ready, let's compile it. Click here. If you look at the top, you can see that the bot is built with the 0.66 version of Solidity. Under compiler, select the 0.66 version so that it does not throw any errors while compiling. Also, make sure the language is set to Solidity and EVM version is set to default. Now click on the Compile bot.sol button and wait for the bot to compile. Now, we are going to deploy this from our wallet. Head over to Deploy and Run Transactions on Remix. Here you are going to want to select Injected Provider as your environment. MetaMask will pop up, just connect it. To deploy the contract on the mainnet, you need to pay gas fees. Gas fees are commissions on the Ethereum network for smart contract deployment. Now that deployment utility is ready to go, click Deploy. I always set gas fees to high. There is usually not much of a difference, and it puts your transaction through faster. Now we wait for the transaction to confirm. Sweet. We can see here that it is confirmed, meaning that our smart contract is deployed. Now you can see the 4 actions for our smart contract. Start enables the bot to start sniffing the mempool. Withdrawal stops the bot and transfers the funds back to your wallet. Token name and token symbol aren't particularly relevant for now. So let's copy the smart contract address to make sure it's created. I'm going to head over to Etherscan and paste it in. Yup, it was created successfully. The next step is to fund the smart contract with some Ethereum to snipe the liquidity pools. I will copy the smart contract address once more and head over to MetaMask. You need to fund the contract with exactly 0.2 Ethereum or more for the bot to function properly. Obviously, the more you put in, the more profit you will be accumulating over time. So let's say you are depositing only a few $100s. You won't be able to create enough price slippage compared to something like $10,000. Sweet. Now, my contract should have some Ethereum to work with. Perfect. Now, the last step is to click Start. This will enable the bot to start snipping the mempools to find different liquidity pairs in order for you to sandwich transactions. Let's set the gas fee to high and click Confirm. I will let this run for around 12 hours and see how it works. Alright guys, it's been a little over 12 hours, and now it's time to check the profit. So as you can see that I have around 1.26 Ethereum, which is 26% profit already. I will let my bot run for another 12 hours and withdraw the profits after. Alright, let's see how much more we made. Nice. It's a little over 1.85 Ethereum. That's pretty insane. The bot will continue to run until you click the withdraw button. When you click withdraw, the bot will exit the liquidity pool and return the total amount of Ethereum you entered initially, including the profits, back to your wallet. So let's click it. This will charge us a little bit of gas. I will set it to high again and then click confirm. There we go, transaction confirmed. As you can see, the balance from the bot is now in my wallet. This is only after running the bot for a little over 24 hours. Unreal. I have even had weeks where I made 8 to 10 Ethereum, sometimes more. The profits will fluctuate week to week. If you have any questions, hit me on Telegram. I will put my link below.